Moving to Peru now, where we soon expect a verdict in a symbolic trial. It involves emblematic labor cases ahead of International Workers' Day on Friday with an explanation now. Here's Rael Mora.
When Ledy Monzobite worked as a domestic employee, she would be sent by a wealthy family to buy a fish for $130. But for her, it would take an entire month of work to earn that much. Such experiences in that sector led her to become a union organizer, and she now is participating in the Andean Ethical Tribunal for labor cases.
The objective is to make visible what is being hidden, what is there showing but society does not want to see. That means we have to make visible the labor cases so that society becomes aware and to sensitize the general population and the authorities about how domestic workers are also human beings and have rights like any citizen.
The Unofficial Tribunal heard cases from Chile, Ecuador, Colombia, Bolivia and Peru. The judges were members of the Latin American Association of Labor Lawyers. Lidia Guevara came from Cuba to serve as one of the judges. She explained some of the general conclusions of the trial with respect to the employment situation in these countries.
A great informality persists, a great informality with jobs because employment grows, but in the informal sectors. That is to say, without legal protection. And in other sectors where there are legal protections, they are in a precarious state. There has been an enormous number of temporal hiring.
The cases presented are emblematic of the situation with abuses at work. The Peruvian cases highlighted involve murders of unionized construction workers, sexual harassment of domestic workers, long hours of work and lack of overtime for textile workers, and generalized lack of labor rights for agricultural workers. Rael Mora, teleSUR, Lima.